Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, premium wheels, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, parking sensors. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.